Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I'm going to show you how I use spider gel. I use it on top of my dip powder mani. If you want to see the steps, I'll link it up here. I use my gel top coat on top and then I start applying my spider gel after I've cured my gel top coat. If you have any questions or comments, you could send me a message on Instagram or you could just comment down below in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! I'm using Born Pretty spider gel. I like to put it in some hot water because I find it's easier to manipulate when it's warm. Or else I find the lines get too thick. So now I've let it soak for a little bit and look at how easy it is to manipulate. Nice thin lines. I'm just gonna do a simple design for the first one. I use a dotting tool and I just go around the nail. Very simple. Just go around it and don't take too much on the dotting tool. Just a little bit is enough. And just go around just like that. So that makes the first one. It's just, you do it until you are satisfied with the way it looks. If you put too much on the dotting tool, you'll see the lines will be a lot thicker. I prefer nice thin lines like this. Now I'm gonna start the other side just so I can make a different design. It's a little thick there because I took a little bit too much, but it still looks pretty. Cute. And then let's get a couple more. And it's okay if you get some on your skin because you can just take it off with some rubbing alcohol. I just use rubbing alcohol on a brush and I just brush it right off. It's important to do that before curing. Alright, so let's do the second design. This one will be more lines, just like straight lines. It's always the same action, like I'm going around the nail. Cute little stripes. It's gonna look really nice for Halloween. I'm gonna be doing this a lot for sure. But it's definitely easier to work with spider gel than trying to draw this. Forget it. I'm definitely not a freehand girl, but this looks perfect. Just take away again with some alcohol on my brush. I use 70% alcohol, and there you have it. Design number 2. Alright, this one takes a little bit more practice. It's going to be little flowers. I'm doing 2 flowers. And you just loop it around gently to make the petals. Just gonna do a couple of them here. I'm feeling the gel's getting thick already. I'm gonna have to soak it again in hot water. Cute. A couple of flowers. I'm gonna do it the other side too. If you want to cut your spider gel, I usually just tap it off, or it could also turn, like rotate the dotting tool to get it all out. And there we have it, second little flower. I'm not very good at making flowers, but I think it looks cute the way it is. And then I'll just do a couple lines there. Alright, so that is it, my last one. I have one more design left. And after we finish with the spider gel, you have to cure it. I cure it for 60 seconds, and then I apply my gel top coat. I didn't do it in the video because I was doing another mani, so I didn't want to apply it and then remove it afterwards. So okay, this is the last one. I'm just gonna do a straight line down the middle. Take a little bit on your dotting tool, and that's it. You just go up and down, and it makes a perfect straight line. After finishing this, I would cure for 60 seconds, and then I would apply my gel top coat. And if you get on your skin, use a brush to clean it off. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below, or you can send me a direct message on my Instagram. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today.